Today topic of lecture process or stages of product development.
What is product development? Product development is a key role in the business or sales increase or decrease. This product development you based the competition or technology or consumer taste and fashions. You changes of the product quality, quantity, features, price, size, etc. Main role of the product development in the businesses. What is product development? Product development refers to the creation of new product which has some utility or upgradation of the existing product or enhancement of the production process method or system. In simple word, it is all about bringing a change in the present goods or services. It is called a product development. Product development means product development refers to the creation of new product which has some utility or upgradation of the existing product or enhancement of the production process method or system. In simple word, it is all about bringing a change in the present goods or services. It is called a product development. Product development means change of the present goods and services or modification of product, alteration of product, extension of product. These all are product developments. That purpose follow the some procedure, some method. It is called a product development process. That process is the different stages as follows. Process of product development. First one is idea generation, screening, business analysis, concept testing, product testing, market test, review and revision, commercialization. It is a last stages of product development process. It is product development process also different stages. First one is idea generation. Next one is screening. Next one, business analysis. Next one, concept testing. Next one, product testing. Next one, market test. Next, review and revision. Next one, commercialization. These all are product development process stages. One by one, I explain now. First stage is the product development process, idea generation. What is idea generation? Idea generation means formation of ideas, creation of ideas. In this stage, any changes of our product. First, you thinking. You what changes or quality or price or features, etc. You think your mind. That purpose, so many ways to think, different thoughts, create your mind. So many thoughts for change of your product or extension or development. In this stage, number of ideas. It is a first stage, idea generation. Next one is screening of ideas. Screening. In this stage, or scrutinize or avoid unnecessary ideas, not suitable ideas. Less attractive ideas. So many ideas you create, generate your mind. First stage of the product development. That also some also not usable, not attractive, not used for our development product. That all are unnecessary ideas. In this stage, reject, deduct all not suitable ideas. It is a screening stage. This is second stage. Any idea present to change of product or development of product, this is not suitable. That is deducted. All suitable, not usable, not attractive, not benefit, all ideas in this stage deducted your mind. It is a screening stage. Next stage is business analysis. In this stage, you consider the 4 pieces in the market. 4 P's. First one is product. Second one is price. Third one is promotion. Fourth one is place. These all are you analyze. You change of or product. What is change? First you product. Any quality, size, quantity or features. Any changes you analyze in this stage. Next one, price. Sometime also you change of prices. You face the competition or business or increase or decrease. More competition. That time also our product prices decrease. Low competition, more demand. That time is our product prices increase. This is considered analysis. Any changes of price. Next one is promotion, advertisement activities. Any require the or change of product, change of advertisement activities. More sales depend the or advertisement expenditure. More spend the advertisement or sales also increase. That is considered your analysis. Next one, place, change of the place. What place? Or business more demand, present not demand. That is change of the place or sales or product. These all are in this stage. Analyze all four pieces: product, price, promotion, place. All you analysis or evaluation in this stage. Next one, concept testing. In this stage are already decided the one idea, change of or product or extension or development. That concept you testing. Some few members, internal or outside existing consumers. So and so changes our product. That is take the feedback. In future our product sales. You take the in this stage feedback, concept testing. So idea is selected. That is suitable or not suitable. Give the suggestions or advices. Then that concept in this stage testing. That is accepted also, all concept also approved in this stage. Next, product test. After concept also testing approved, accepted. That product testing also you filed testing. Some few members in the market for testing purpose. Release the some product. The test also you take the feedback. Our feedback is better or positive. That production is you continue. You start the product in this stage. Product testing in the some few members or users or consumers or agents of channel distributions, etc. Next, market test. After production testing, you release the or product outside the company, outside the business for sales purpose. Sample area. One area you select sales purpose. You test that area. You release the our product. New development product. That marketing test also you success. Feedback is better. Next stage will be start. Review and revision. After marketing test our product, some areas that take the feedback, users or consumers or channel distribution agencies, some business peoples collect the feedback or product market or sales. Review, discuss that all are guidelines, advices, feedback reports. Review all higher authority. That based the revision of product. After review, our marketing testing, our product, new product situation, you revision, reproduct, some changes of complaints, you alter our product, modify the based the feedback in the market test in this stage. Next, last one is final commercialization. This is the last stage of our product development process. All stages also over. In this finally implemented the commercially our product in the market. You sales purpose. You starting our product in the market, different places, different areas. Total our market place. You release our new product or development product. In this stage, it is a commercialization stage. This is after you starting the product life cycle. In this stage, after you start the first stage, introduce our new product in the market. These all are product development process or stages of product development. First one is idea generation. Second one is screening. Next one, business analysis. Next one, concept testing. Next one, product test. Next one, market test. Next one, review and revision. Last one is commercialization. It is a product development process, different stages. This class is over. Thank you.